Waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, northeast winds around 5 knots veering southeast after midnight. Partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms overnight. Waves 1.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we will postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We will activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Kentwood, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun.
Yeah.
Newaygo and
Declared Wednesday, August 10th to be an action day for elevated levels will be around tonight. Are expected to be in the unhealthy for sensitive groups range.
That didn't work. I was too late. I was going to try to catch it for you guys on Onondaga. I was going to try to catch the end of it on Onondaga, but didn't make it out because...
With activities which...
So, yeah, I just messed up. Bye-bye.